You vow that every centavo of public funds will benefit Filipinos, no? But what concrete mechanisms are now being placed so that future budgets are free of these insertions and these anomalies? Is blockchain and AI one of the solutions to create that transparency?
Well, I haven't seen any AI that's specifically geared towards that. Blockchain is something that could work.
Okay.
However, what has happened has been that we have violated the rules. Those rules exist,
Yeah.
and simply we don't. In the last decade,
Yeah.
they stopped following the rules.
Yeah.
For example, when I was in local government, when national government came in and was going to do a construction, they come in, they do the project. And then at some point, they come back to the local government executives and say, tapos na.
Oh.
Natapos namin yung project. Inspectioning nga namin ngayon yon. Pag nakita namin hindi maganda ito, hindi tama itong ginawa ninyo.
Sign it, yeah.
Hindi ko pipirmahan yung acceptance. Dapat, pag hindi ko pinirmahan yung acceptance ng local government, hindi mababayaran ng kontraktor.
Okay.
Sa tawagin yung kontraktor, tignan mo ulit. Hindi tama itong ginawa ninyo, ayusin mo. Pagka naayos nyo yan, pipirmahan ko ito, mababayaran kayo. Yun ang sistema noon.
Yun ang dapat.
Apparently, in the last administration, they removed that entirely.
Okay.
And I was shocked.
Yeah.
I was shocked because this is like standard procedure. This is like,
Yeah.
you don't think about this anymore.
Yeah.